Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can manage your contacts with Systeme.io. One of the main features of Systeme.io is the ability to grow your email list. Once someone is opted into your list, their contact information will appear here in Contacts under the CRM tab. It's also possible to add them manually by clicking Create Contact and then inputting their information. One of the things you should do right away is create tags, which is also under the CRM tab. Keep in mind, Systeme does not use lists. Systeme.io uses tags to help you segment your contacts. It's much easier than running and managing multiple lists. Let's create a new tag together. Simply click Create and then enter the name of your tag. For example, say that you've got an opt-in form on your blog. You can call this Blog Leads. Click Save and you're done creating your first tag. It's that easy. In a future video, I'll show you how to use tags to send you newsletters. Now let's go back into your contacts. On the side here, there are plenty of filters you can use to search for and find different contacts. For example, we can filter contacts by tags. You can also perform actions like adding or removing tags or subscribing contacts to your email campaign. Systeme.io makes it very easy to complete bulk actions. Over here in the Filter By sidebar, let's click on Tag. Leave the drop-down menu with Tagged With and then select the Customer's tag. Over here we see the filter in action and the list of all of our contacts that have the Customer's tag. You can either select each contact manually by clicking on the radio button besides them, or click the top radio button, which will select all of them. You can then complete a bulk action down here in the lower right corner. Click on More Actions where we see all the available actions you can take. You could add all these contacts to a campaign or use the Add Tag action to add the new Blog Leads tag that we created earlier to all these selected contacts. Imagine being able to do this with thousands of contacts just like that. These bulk actions are a huge time saver. Now, let's create a new contact together by clicking Create Contact and then enter their appropriate information. For example, I'll enter this for the email address. You can fill in all the other details, including adding custom fields. And here you can select what tags the contact should have. Click on Save and your new contact is now on your list. You can also import your contacts if you've got a list that was exported from any other email marketing platforms you were using. Now it's important to remember you can only import the contacts that have given you permission to send them emails. You cannot import email lists that you've bought or have been given to you. To import your contacts, simply click Import Contacts and follow the detailed instructions. The file must be in CSV format. The delimiter defaults to comma. Make sure to select a delimiter appropriate to your file. Click here to upload your CSV file. You can select which tags you want the imported contacts to have, and you can also add them to an email campaign if you want. And here you can see your previous imports. Systeme.io was designed to make it very easy and very practical to manage your contacts. You can import your contacts or create a form so that people can opt into your list. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a sales funnel to build your email list with Systeme.io.